Yeah. Oh! Nice try. You. Oh my gosh. You can't really see it that well. Oh, there it is. Oh, dude. Dad's gonna kill you. Oh my gosh.
Both sides that way.
Oh,
Both sides.
Oh, don't throw them at me from point blank range. No, I get one of those.
I get one of those.
What? Oh! Hey, no, I get that one. Alright. These lemons aren't coming off. Dude, you got lemon juice on me. Go get another rag, dude.
Or something like that. The carnage of all the lemons that... Ooh, that was a big splatter. We got the car. Check out all the lemons we threw in there.
Hold on.
Alright, last one, Jared. This one's for all the marbles. Quick! Oh, he hits it! Oh, what a way to...